Hey there, Hard Hat Holly at a flip in LA, telling you about something that the city of LA requires. And be so thankful that most places you flip houses won't require this. But LA now has a rainwater collection requirement, and they're going to force us to build. We need to build 53 square feet of planters. It's kind of like a raised planter that will collect rainwater to slow it down from going out to the street, and helps with potential flooding if and when we have a lot of rain here. And it's just one more hurdle that's going to cost us a bunch of money and time, and we just have to jump over it and push on through it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button to be notified of future videos by me. Go to the website hardhatholly.com to get your free download on how to find houses to flip for profits.